Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Here we take a close look at useful tools, workshop equipment, DIY products, and affordable gadgets, showing you what they can do, how they work, and whether they deserve a place in your toolbox. If you enjoy practical tool reviews and demonstrations like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at the PARKSIDE Laser Spirit Level, a compact and practical measuring tool that combines the familiar functions of a traditional spirit level with the convenience of a built-in laser. At first glance, the design is typically PARKSIDE, a compact green and black body, easy-to-see bubble vials, simple controls, and a shape that is comfortable to handle and easy to store. The main purpose of this tool is straightforward. It helps you check whether a surface or object is correctly aligned, while the laser allows you to project that alignment beyond the physical length of the spirit level. This makes it much more versatile than an ordinary small level. The built-in spirit level vials allow you to check horizontal and vertical alignment. Simply position the tool against the surface you are working on and watch the bubble. When the bubble is centered between the markings, you know that the tool, and therefore your reference line, is level or correctly aligned. This is extremely useful for everyday DIY jobs. For example, you can use it when installing shelves, positioning cabinets, hanging pictures in frames, mounting wall decorations, fitting brackets, aligning furniture, or checking smaller construction and renovation projects. But the feature that makes this PARKSIDE tool particularly interesting is the integrated laser. Once activated, the laser projects a visible red reference line, or point, depending on the operating mode and model configuration. Instead of being limited to the physical length of the level, you can extend your reference across a larger working area. That can make repetitive positioning jobs much easier. Imagine that you want to hang several pictures at exactly the same height. With a normal spirit level, you would have to measure and mark several individual points. With the laser, you can establish a visual reference and use it to help keep multiple objects aligned. The same idea applies when installing shelves, hooks, sockets, decorative elements, tiles, or other items that need to follow the same line. The tool also includes measurement markings along the body, giving you an additional quick reference for smaller measurements. It is not intended to replace a dedicated tape measure for larger jobs, but having a scale directly on the level can be very convenient when you need a fast measurement without reaching for another tool. Operation is intentionally simple. The controls on the top give you quick access to the laser functions, while the bubble vials remain visible during use. There are no complicated menus or settings to learn. Position the level, check the bubble, activate the laser when required, and establish your reference. Its compact size is another advantage. A large professional level is excellent for construction work, but it can be inconvenient for smaller household jobs or tight spaces. This PARKSIDE laser level is much easier to keep in a toolbox, drawer, workshop cabinet, or even carry with you when doing small installation jobs. So, who is this product for? It is especially suitable for DIY users, homeowners, hobbyists, furniture installers, decorators, and anyone who regularly hangs or mounts objects around the home or workshop. It can also be a useful secondary tool for tradespeople who want something small and convenient for quick alignment checks. And that's our look at the PARKSIDE Laser Spirit Level. If you found this video useful, give it a like and let us know in the comments what PARKSIDE tool you would like to see next. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, demonstrations, DIY equipment, and practical workshop products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.